Hello and welcome. My name is Bradleymayerharman, and today I'm speaking with Joe Andrews, a candidate for the council position in the town of Orangeville. Thank you for joining me today, Joe.
Thank you, Bradley.
So today I want to talk about past problems with the council, specifically as it relates to unity. We've had issues where councillors may not work like friends in council, and certainly there's going to be disagreements and points of view. But moving forward, how can we address that problem? And personally yourself, how would you deal with a situation along those lines?
A very important question that is again being posed by many in our community. I'm a bridge builder. I have for most of my varied careers been a leader of people, but I'm also a team player. I have tremendous experience working with diverse groups of people with strong points of view, yet through proper discussion, process and defined goals, been able to achieve positive results. I feel that the divide with the current council members was due to several factors, including unwillingness to truly work together. Personal agendas have taken over, and it has strangled their ability to move positive things and the good of our community forward. A new slate of elected council members will establish a mandate from the get-go, in fact, to get along. I personally know many who are running, and several are consensus builders. Like myself, they've become that way by doing their homework, being good listeners, and being respectful regardless of someone's opinion. But it doesn't mean that they will always agree on individual points of view, but understanding and respecting each other is the first step. Reminding yourself that you have been elected to serve the community is the best way to move forward in a very positive way. Never forgetting how you've been appointed to the role with the idea of issuing that a mutual outcome is achieved is also in the best interest for Orangeville. I will ensure that if elected, I will work together with the other members of council to get things done.
Well, thank you very much, Joe, for your answer. And certainly if you want to see some more of what Joe has to say, feel free to take a look at the links below, and thank you for watching.